Is it a sin for a Christian to be watching or listening to secular music or singing to secular music? What do you think? So at the end of this video, we are going to know whether it's a sin or not. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Estova Kings. In case this is your first time of viewing our video, please endeavor to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the notification icon so that you get notified each time we post another video. I know most of you will be wondering why my wife is not in this video. My wife is not around, she went out, that's why I am doing this video alone. So the reason why we are making this video today is because most people say that Christians should not be watching or listening to secular music. So yesterday I got a friend request on my Facebook account. So it was one guy that sent me that friend request, and I remembered I made a comment on one post on social media about this girl that just got viral because of her amazing voice and because of the song that she sang on social media that went viral. Though so many people say that she's a hawker, but she made it clear to everyone that she's not hawking. The tray that she was holding, she was helping her mommy to share food to people. That's why she was holding that tray, that she's not a hawker. So she made it clear to social media, to everybody on social media recently. So they were like judging the girl that she has lost her soul, that heaven has missed someone precious. I was like, did you people visited God in heaven before you hear that information that she have lost her soul? Or is it because she sang a worldly song or a secular song? I was like, what is all this about? She's a young girl. The talent that she got came from God, and her amazing voice came from God. So what really matters is the message that she's delivering through that song that she is singing. You see? If the message is not talking about immorality, is not talking about drugs, is not talking about sex, is not talking about abuse, is not praising the demon, is not doing anything evil, that means the song is nice. You can listen to it as a Christian. A Christian is not supposed to listen to a song that promotes evil, that promotes immorality, that is showcasing a nude on the social media. No. If a song delivers a good message, because it's what you are consuming in your heart that matters. The message is that the song is delivering to your heart, to your soul. That's what matters. If this song has a good lyrics, it's not promoting any of this. It can be love song. It can be nature. It can be any kind of song that doesn't promote immorality. It is good. A Christian can listen to it, and when the Christian die, you will not. God will not judge the Christian. God will not go say, since you listen to this kind of worldly song, you are going to hellfire. No, the song is not promoting immorality. So that girl, she sang a very wonderful song. If you listen to her lyrics, she's delivering a message to people. So you can't tell me that she's singing that song, she's committing sin. She has lost her soul, unless if she's dressing naked on social media, like what she's doing now. I think her manager is taking this into another dimension. Now look at this innocent girl that came out on social media that just got viral last month. An innocent girl. Look at the kind of clothes she was wearing then. Now look at the clothes she's wearing because she's now famous. Now they want to use that talent that God gave her, that wonderful talent that God gave her. They want to now use the talent to glorify demon. Now that is not the dressing is not enough. Now look at this kind of sign that she's giving. This is Illuminati sign. Maybe she didn't join Illuminati, or maybe she didn't join to any kind of cult. But this sign she's doing is a bad sign. It's glorifying demon. I don't know whether maybe she's aware of the sign she's doing, but this is the type of sign that they do. Like this one, for instance, it's the same sign. Look at this one again, the same sign. Look at this sign, the same thing. Can you imagine? Look at this one again. Oh, sorry, it's not this one. Look at this one, the same sign. This is Illuminati sign, and she's glorifying demon. She's using her God-given talent to glorify demon, and it's bad. You can sing a secular song that delivers a good message to people, that whenever anybody listens to that song, the person will be motivated. the person, if the person is not serious in life, the person will be serious. Or if it is a love song, the person will feel love. Okay, this boy came to my inbox and was telling me about a worldly song, that everybody that sings secular song will go to hell. I'm going to read out the message. He said yes, because when he sent me a friend request and I accepted, I sent him a message. I hope this friend request you sent is all for good. So he said yes, there is a place I saw your comment some days ago, but I don't remember what you comment there anymore. Lord said in me to teach you something about your comment, which you don't know. So this is what he sent to me, and he was trying to let me, I'm not going to read out others because of time, and he was trying to let me know that whoever that sang a secular song or listens to a secular song is going to hellfire. I was like, come on, you people are just misunderstanding the whole thing. And I think Christianity has so many rules, so many laws in it. Man's heart is not God's heart. You cannot judge, you cannot see. It's only we that know what we have in our mind. You can be singing a secular song that has meaning, that is not glorifying demon, and then your heart will be clean. You'll be doing good to people. You'll be faithful to God and to yourself. You may be singing worship songs, godly songs, the one that is talking about God, but yet your heart is evil. So it's not about the songs. So as a Christian, avoid those ones that you know that are sending bad message to your soul. Anything that will make your soul to commit a sin, you avoid it. But those ones that has good lyrics, that has a good message to deliver, why not listen to it? If it's good, if it is making you to be happy, why not listen to it? So what I'm trying to say is that the way the manager of this girl, Sele, what was her name? Sele. The way the management is taking it is too far. This is demonic way. This is not what we expected from them. Just look at Steny. Can't you look at Steny? Is she naked on social media? Is she not a celebrity? Is she naked? Look at her. Look at her picture. Look at her dressing. Decent. Yes, she's famous. Why can't you emulate her? Why can't you copy her? You must not naked yourself on social media because you are a celebrity. Just few days after you got viral, you just boom. This is not what God sent you to do. God gave you that talent to touch soul. I was touched when I listened to that song. Let me play that song. Let's watch. See?
I'll be fine. It's just a matter of time. I must stop, so hard to find. Come in hard, you better hide. I'ma blind your eye. I'ma lead your soul. Music has no music loving.
You see what a lovely song. It has a good message.
My therapy.
It's inspiring. She's using words of affirmation, encouraging herself. When you feel down, you encourage yourself. This message is not ungodly. So why can't a Christian listen to it? People will be coming to social media and be pretending as if they are holy. They are God's secretary. They are after God, not them. They have the right to judge whoever they want to judge. You can't do that. You are not God. So my viewers, let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about it. And if you think that all secular songs are ungodly, and people that listen to secular songs that has meaning, that has good lyrics, they are going to hellfire, or they have lost their soul. If you think it is true, let me know in the comment section. If you think what I said in this video is true, let's also hear your own opinion on the comment section. Please don't forget to share this video to your loved ones, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also like our video and comments on the comment section below what you think about this video. Thank you so much, and see you next time.